Hello, dear friends. This is Clara. I welcome you all on Siren Tarot. Um, Today's reading is on, your person's current feeling towards you. Remember, this is general reading, not gender specific. This reading is for everyone. Okay. Now we'll see what is your person's current feelings, what they're feeling towards you. Okay. What they are doing, currently doing, what they are feeling. That we'll see. They want to say many things, I think. Okay. Okay. The bottom of the deck is 10 of Pentacles, right? Lot of Pentacles are here, my dear friends. Whoever the person you are dealing with is, maybe the person is quite rich. Yes, because lot of Pentacles are here. Coins are here, right? Now I will tell you the signs. Maybe the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Fire sign is also there. And water sign is also there. Okay. Only the air sign is missing. But still, your person can be a any sign. Right, now I'll start reading the current feelings, what they are feeling towards you, right? So my dear friends, at present your person is missing you a lot. They are missing you a lot because the first card which came over here, the King of Pentacles, you can see over here. This person of yours, इनके पास में सब कुछ है dear friends, they have everything, right? But something is missing and that person is you, right? और ये पर्सन जो भी है ना डियर फ्रेंड्स, बहुत ही नेगेटिव सोचते रहते हैं हमेशा, बहुत ही नेगेटिव। उनके सराउंडिंग जो है सारी नेगेटिव लोग हो सकते हैं, जहाँ पर भी वो जॉब करते हैं, वेर एवर योर पर्सन इज वर्किंग द सराउंडिंग इज नॉट सो गुड. This person always depends on others for the advice, for the guidance. That's what I'm seeing over here. And whenever they think about you, this person always takes suggestion from others about you. That's what I'm seeing over here. And they're missing you a lot, though this person have everything, but still this person is missing you a lot. That's what I'm seeing over here. And this person wants a beautiful family with you. They are, these are their feelings, that they are waiting for you. They are waiting for you, no matter they are, see, this person is, क्या कहते हैं उसे, आपके साथ अपना फ्यूचर देखते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सीइंग ओवर हियर. बहुत वेट कर रहे हैं आपका. And this person is waiting for the right moment, the correct moment, the right time this person is waiting for. Because I'm seeing over here, this person has done something which is wrong, right? This person has done something wrong with you, because there is the card of judgment. Okay. This person wants to change, this person wants a miracle, कि सब कुछ change हो जाए और आप इनकी life में आ जाओ. That's what this person is, he's feeling or her feeling towards you, right? Action is very slow. That's what I'm seeing. This person is only thinking but not taking proper actions. This person wants a new beginning with you, fresh start with you, but this person don't understand. This person is quite egoistic. That's what I'm seeing over here. And immature. Maybe you are mature enough and this person is quite immature. That's what I'm seeing over here. But this person is so passionate towards you. लॉट ऑफ फीलिंग्स, बहुत प्यार करता है ये इंसान, लेकिन इस इंसान ने कभी आपको बताया नहीं बताया है. बिकॉज ही और शी इज़ हैविंग दे डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सीइंग ओवर हियर. कम्युनिकेशन, मे बी कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. दे डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस देयर इमोशंस, राइट? So this person wants a fresh start, new beginning with you. That's what I'm seeing over here. And beside this, you, my dear friends, what you are doing, you are so, you became little careless. That's what I'm seeing over here. Because this person has done something wrong. Maybe this person betrayed you in the past, right? Maybe he or she, उन्होंने आपको select नहीं किया, किसी और चीज़ को select किया. Maybe the career, maybe the business, maybe the family. That's what I'm seeing over here. See over here, this person is restless now because the person has, done something wrong with you. Maybe he or she ghosted you, right? Maybe lied, right? and this person is juggling, see over here, between two things, maybe his or her career and maybe you, maybe the family, maybe you, राइट. सो दिस पर्सन उन्होंने एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया आपसे जो भी सच बात है, कि दिस पर्सन डिडंट टेल यू एनीथिंग, सो दैट इज वाई दिस पर्सन इज इन पेन, lot of pain, lot of regret. He or she is not able to sleep properly in the night. That's what I'm seeing over here. I want to clarify some cards over here, dear friends. Let me check why the Two of Pentacles over here, why this person is juggling, right? This person wants to balance the things. That's what I'm seeing over here. In the past he or she was not able to balance, और इन्हें पास्ट इस इंसान ने पास्ट में किसी और रिलेशन में थे. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सीइंग ओवर हियर. किसी पास्ट, आप देखिए आपकी थर्ड पार्टी कौन है, फैमिली है, फ्रेंड्स है, क्या कोई अदर पर्सन है, दैट डिपेंड्स. ओके, यू नो वेरी नाइसली हु इज योर थर्ड पार्टी इज, बट हियर आई कैन सी दैट इन द पास्ट योर पर्सन वॉज डीलिंग विथ समवन, राइट, और वहाँ पर कुछ सही नहीं था, सही नहीं गया, बिकॉज द पर्सन ही वॉज डीलिंग विथ दैट पर्सन वॉज cheated on this person. That's what I'm seeing over here. चीट कर रहा है वो इंसान जिसके साथ में डील कर रहे हैं ना डियर फ्रेंड्स, वो चीट कर रहा है. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सीइंग ओवर हियर. एंड राइट नाउ दिस पर्सन वांट्स टू बैलेंस विद यू. This person wants to balance with you. Your person wants a good balance with you. That's what I'm seeing. And this person is not happy at all. See over here, जैसे आप चले गए, you moved on because of this person's behavior. Okay, the person is not authentic, vulnerable with you, right? He or she never spoke the truth, right? Never said that he or she loves you a lot. No commitment, nothing this person has done. Oh, I tell you, this person ghosted you. That's what I'm seeing over here. But this person loves you a lot, missing you a lot at present. That's what I'm seeing over here. Okay, see, when you left this person, you left with a broken heart. Now you can see over here this woman, she's not having shoes, right? And this person, he's having shoes over here, and snow is falling down, coins are here. जैसे आपने इन्होंने छोड़ दिया डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस इंसान की हालत कुछ सही नहीं गई. सब कुछ जैसे कहते हैं ना, सब कुछ कोलैप्स हो गया. एवरीथिंग हैज शैटर्ड व्हेन यू लेफ्ट दिस पर्सन. दिस पर्सन मे बी ही और शी थॉट दैट कि नहीं, आप चले गए तो मैं सब रह लूँगा या मैं सब कर लूँगी, ऐसे इन्होंने सोचा. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ डियर फ्रेंड्स. सी ओवर हियर, दिस पर्सन मिसिंग योर लव राइट नाउ. This person missing your love, your care, your a lot of this whatever you have done for this person is missing this love, right? उनको ये प्यार कहीं पर भी नहीं मिला जिस प्यार की उनको तलाश थी, right? That's what I'm seeing over here. We will see what is the next moment of your person. See, this person in lot of depression. He's regretting a lot whatever he or she has done with you, regretting a lot. See over here, the hermit. अभी इस हर्मिट के पोजीशन में आपके पर्सन है, सॉलिट्यूड में है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो सब कुछ सोच रहे हैं कि किस तरह से उन्होंने आपसे झूठ बोला, गोस्ट किया, चीट किया. He is recalling all his mistake whatever he or she has done with you. That's what I'm seeing over here. He or they became very very silent. Okay, और अभी जो मैं देख रही हूँ ना डियर फ्रेंड्स, वो कोई भी गलती नहीं करना चाहते. They want to walk slowly and silently like a tortoise. राइट. एंड उनका नेक्स्ट मोमेंट क्या होगा ना डियर फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट एक्शन, दिस पर्सन विल कम टूवर्ड्स यू वेरी वेरी फास्ट. दे वांट टू रश इन, आई टेल यू. सून दे विल कम, आई टेल यू. मे बी फॉर सम पीपल 1 week. Yes, that's what I'm seeing over here. This person wants to come towards you very very fast because he or she has taken a lot of time to come towards you, to express. This person will express their feelings towards you. That's what I'm seeing over here. See over here, correct. You waited too long for this person, dear friend. See over here, this person knows very nicely that you are so caring, loving, kind, compassionate, always loyal person towards them. This person knows these all things. That's what they are feeling, they are thinking towards you. And see over here, they want to offer this cup, right? offer this cup means they want to offer their love towards you, they want to express their feelings. That's what I'm seeing over here. They will come, maybe they will send you a message, maybe they will call, they will give a call, or they will send a message very soon. Okay, that's what I'm, maybe in 1 month or 1 week. That's what I'm seeing over here. This person will come towards you very very fast, right? Now we'll see through the romance angels, uh, what his or her feelings, what next he or she wants to say. Is a lot of, I want few messages, not many messages. Passion, forgiving and learning, finances and career. Okay, my dear friends, see over here. This person, whoever you are dealing with, have lot of passion towards you. Okay, there is love. I can see over here. There is love, right? And even this person is passionate towards you, right? And see over here, forgiving and learning. So this card says that forgive each other, and this person has learned many, lessons when he or she was separated from you. That's what I'm seeing over here. Express your love. See over here, soon this person will come and will express his or her love towards you, right? And the bottom of the deck is wedding. Good news, really good news for you all. Okay, now this person is currently busy with finances and career. Maybe this person's finances are not going well. Maybe this is the third party I was talking about, right? Because a lot of pentacles over here, and your person is immature, but this person wants a fresh beginning, fresh start with you. Okay, and he's immature. This person is quite immature and egoistic. He or she always control you a lot. That's what I'm seeing over here. But now this person has learned a lot of lessons, and he or she wants to come towards you. They want to run towards you like anything. That's what I'm seeing over here. Lot of regret, pain. Your person is in lot of pain, dear friends. Lot of regret. That's what I'm seeing over here. So my dear friends, like and subscribe my video. So my dear friends, I hope you all have enjoyed my readings. So bye, take care.